Alright guys, I got the battery out here that I revived I think about a year ago. Kind of about this same time. I think it's probably been another about 2 or 3 more months till it's about a year. But I used Epsom salt to revive this battery, and it has worked pretty much ever since. I just put a charge to it with a 10 amp battery charger here for about probably 10 minutes, maybe about 10 minutes. And it's at, I don't know, a little over 13 volts, 13 and a half. That's declining a little bit. Now I've only had it on for about 10 minutes, but still, I mean, it's holding 13 plus volts. That's pretty dang good. So it's at 13.55 now. Go ahead and turn that off. And let's check the fluid level. I haven't checked this since I put fluid in it. Alrighty. It actually still has fluid in all the plates. But actually, every other one is red, but the Epsom salt has actually dissolved some of the, I don't know what you would call it, rust maybe. It's just not as bad anymore, actually. So that's pretty cool. And actually, I'm not even going to add any more water or nothing, because it's still really good and decent. And before, the caps here have kind of melted a little bit since it's been neglected pretty good. But I just thought I'd pop the cap and show you guys how much fluid loss there was, and heck, there's barely any. It's pretty good, actually. A little bit of crap over here because of dust and stuff from that, and my grinder here. It's just been sitting. And I've always kept it charged, and I've jumped a few cars actually with this battery, and it just started right up. See how much we got now? 1334. And it does actually stay above 12.6 once it gets done and finished. After about a week or so, it stays about 12.6, right where it's supposed to be. But I thought I'd just pop the caps and show you what it looks like underneath. That's the first time I popped them up actually in almost a year. So Epsom salt does work for an old battery like this. It's been, neglected or, just old, really. So, yeah, I mean, if you got an old battery, go ahead and throw some Epsom salt mixture into the cells there. Dump a little bit out if you have to, and pour about, I don't know, quarter or to a half a cup of Epsom salt mixture in each cell there, and you'll be good to go. And yeah, it's declining quite a bit, but like I said, it stops at about 12.6 like it's supposed to. I've had it on the battery charger for, about 10 minutes, like I said. But pretty cool. I have had this in my truck for about 6 to 8 months, and with no problems. So, yeah, Epsom salt does work.